Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Combine tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and salt in the food processor to form a loose paste. This jumpstarts emulsification and brightens flavor. Add half the chickpeas and pulse to break them down. Reserve the rest. Once done, add 1-2 tablespoon reserved liquid to loosen the mix. Make sure to pause and scrape the bowl so nothing clings to the sides. This ensures even texture and avoids overworking the motor, setting you up for a silkier finish. Continue by processing in stages. Add the remaining chickpeas in 2 additions while blending between each addition to maintain motion and avoid overheating. Once mostly combined, run the machine on medium-high and stream in reserved cooking liquid or ice water. This is the key to a light, whipped texture. You should pause to scrape and check consistency. If it's grainy, blend longer and add tiny amounts of liquid. Make sure to taste and adjust salt and lemon so the hummus balances savory, bright, and nutty notes. To finish, check seasoning and consistency. Add small amounts of salt, lemon, or tahini to taste, and loosen with ice water or reserved liquid until it spreads smoothly. Transfer to a bowl, create a shallow well, drizzle good olive oil, and garnish with paprika and parsley to lift aroma and color. If something goes wrong, here's a quick fix. If hummus is too thin, fold in 2-3 tablespoon mashed chickpeas or 1 tablespoon tahini. If too thick, add liquid 1 teaspoon at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.